Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today at Battery Guys Nation, we are showing you how to install a battery for a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. You would need a 14mm extension and a socket that is shown right here. What we're doing here first is we're taking off the safety bracket off this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. In order to get the battery out, you got to take off this safety bracket first. And this bracket is actually a safety feature in case you get into an accident. If the truck flips or whatever, it keeps the battery from flipping out of the vehicle. Why they put it here, I do not know why, but it's a tight fit. But you got to get out. You got to take this bracket off first before you're able to get to the battery. Again, we are using a 14mm socket to get this bracket off. You can use a wrench or you can use a socket, but it's easier to use a socket to get this bracket off though. Okay, we got the bracket off. Now we still got our ground wire that's still that's attached as well too. So now we're taking off the this thing has two brackets. So you got that the 90-degree bracket. You also got the long extension bracket too that bolts down the battery straight in the middle. So what we're doing now is that you need a long extension to get that center bolt out, which bolts down the center of the battery itself. Once you get that out, you better pull this whole bar out. Now we take off the brackets and the safety features. Still got one little piece that we're still trying to get loose here, and that's the main bolt that's bolting down the center of the battery itself. And this is your first time visiting Battery Guys here. Make sure to, if we adding any value to it, this video, please like the video first, subscribe to the channel, and also to hit the notification bell to get any uploads that we upload on a daily basis, because we do upload different makes and model of vehicles. We do golf carts, we do solar, so we're gonna be uploading a lot of different things. So you never know, you might have a friend, family member that might own this vehicle that actually need some assistance on how to take this battery out, because it's a very difficult process. What we just took off was the negative, and we're using a 10mm wrench as well. So you also want to take the negative off first before you uninstall any battery. Now we're taking off the positive terminal, as you see here. Now here's the trick of this right here. You want to take this battery, you want to flip it on the side. We're going to show you just here in a second. See what we're doing here? You want to flip this battery on the side first to get this battery out, because it's a very tight squeeze. Flip it on the side, then pull up on it on the right, pull straight up. Now pull the battery out. Now to get it back in, put it back in sideways again, flip it on the side as demonstrated right here in the video. It's a tight squeeze, it's very tight. Just take your time though, there's no rush, you take your time. Now pull straight up on the handle and flip it right back on the bottom. See, voila. And also too, while you're visiting for the first time, you want to put this you want to put your positive back on next, tighten that up. If you need a battery in the future, please make sure you visit our website, batteryguyswithaz.com, and get yourself a battery, because we do ship free nationwide. And we can save you 50% off on your battery as well. But what we're doing now is we're tightening up the positive, then we're going to tighten up the negative. Always do your negative last when you're reinstalling the battery. Make sure to tighten up the negative. Just turn it counterclockwise until you tighten up that negative terminal. Okay, now we're putting the center bolt, which is we're bracketing down the battery itself. We're tightening it back down, so we're gonna put that center bracket back down, tighten it up. There you go, we're done.